The T-fal Platinum Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes in a sleek black color. This 12-inch fry pan offers a large cooking surface. You can easily cook meals for your whole family. The hard anodized aluminum body ensures even heating. This helps prevent hot spots and cooks food perfectly. It feels sturdy and durable, like it can handle daily use. The non-stick surface of the T-fal Platinum Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan is a real bonus. Food slides off easily, so you won't have stuck on messes. Cleaning is a breeze, and the pan is also dishwasher safe. This saves you time and effort after cooking. The handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. You will have good control while flipping or stirring your food. It is oven and broiler safe up to 500 degrees F. The lid is safe up to 350 degrees F. This adds to its versatility in the kitchen. Overall, the T-fal Platinum Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan is a reliable choice. It offers good performance and easy cleanup. The non-stick coating works well, and the pan heats evenly. It is a practical tool for everyday cooking needs. While it's not magical, it gets the job done well. If you need a dependable non-stick fry pan, this T-fal option is worth considering. It is a solid performer in its category. Pros: hard anodized, non-stick surface 12-inch size, oven safe to 500 F, broiler safe, lid safe to 350 F, dishwasher safe, durable material, even heating, easy to clean, good for large meals. Long-lasting coating. Cons: lid's oven safety is lower. 350 F. Not ideal for very high heat, some find it less durable, hand washing is often recommended. Potential for uneven heating, not always induction compatible, coating may contain PFAs, can be heavier than basic pans. Features: non-stick 12-inch, oven safe 500 F, broiler safe, lid safe 350 F, cookware, pots and pans. Dishwasher safe, black, hard anodized. This T-fal Platinum 12-inch fry pan is made with hard anodized aluminum and has a non-stick coating, making it easy to cook without food sticking and simple to clean in the dishwasher. It's also safe to use in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and under the broiler, giving you more ways to cook. The lid can go in an oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This black pan is part of a line of cookware and pots and pans. This 12-inch T-fal fry pan has a non-stick surface and is made from durable, hard anodized material for even heating and easy cleaning, making it good for cooking large meals. It's oven and broiler safe up to 500 F, and the lid can go in the oven up to 350 F. Plus it's dishwasher safe. However, it's not the best for very high heat, and some users have found it less durable, suggesting hand washing for better longevity. Also, it might not work on all induction cooktops and could potentially heat unevenly, with the non-stick coating possibly containing PFAs, and the pan itself might be heavier than simpler options.